CURT 23518 black trailer hitch lock, 5/8 inch pin diameter, fits 2-inch receiver. Dependable security. To protect your trailer and trailer hitch ball mount from theft, this locking hitch pin JOYTUTUS trailer hitch lock, with 5/8 steer 2 3/4 long pin, fits 2-inch class 3V receiver, for trailer truck car boat, with 2 keys 2 O-rings, anti-theft and waterproof towing hitch lock. Unlike other hitch pin locks, each lock cylinder is unique and designed by JOYTUTUS. With solid and heavy-duty number 45 steel construction, adopting a safer zinc alloy lock core and plum blossom keyhole, which can prevent others from towing your trailer away. Rhino USA trailer hitch lock receiver pin, used to tow truck, boat, bike, one lock, American owned, family operated. Join the Rhino family and support a USA-based father/son business. Anti-theft hitch pin, solid forged steel ensures protection to your trailer and hitch from theft. Common hitch sizes. Pin is made with high-strength steel construction. Easy to operate. The barbell-style locking hitch pin promotes an impenetrable appearance to deter theft, and uses a simple 1/4 turn lock activation for convenient locking and unlocking as needed. Our unique hitch pin fits all class 3 and 4 hitches, 2 inches by 2 inches, with ease. Patent pending design, newly added weatherproof slide cap protects from dirt, mud and gunk, guaranteed 5-star experience. If you want 100% satisfied for any reason, we'll refund your money.